Replacement of service kits. Procedure for minimum pressure valve kit replacement and adjustment. Remove the minimum pressure valve. Check and replace the necessary O-rings and spring as in the ELGI service kit. The recommended replacement interval is 8,000 hours for minimum pressure valve kit. Reassemble all the components and fix the minimum pressure valve. The pressure for the minimum pressure valve can be set by mounting a pressure gauge in the tank. Loosen the nut in the valve and adjust the screw to vary the set pressure. It is strictly recommended not to adjust the factory setting. Procedure for check and cleaning the orifice. Open the scavenging line pipe. Open the orifice and check if it is clean. If it is not, clean it. Don't assemble the orifice in the wrong position. Reassemble the orifice in the correct way as indicated. Procedure for thermal valve kit replacement. Remove the internal parts of the thermal valve after removing the oil filter. Check for the correct temperature rating engraved in the element. Check the condition of the thermal element, spring and O-rings. If there are any deviations, replace the internal parts with the ELGI thermal valve kit. The recommended replacement interval is 8,000 hours for the thermal valve kit. Reassemble the parts and complete the process. Procedure for shaft seal and sleeve wear replacement. Remove the pulley. Remove the seal housing. Use a puller tool. Use the recommended tools to avoid any damage to the air end shaft. Remove the sleeve wear. Clean the shaft surface and assemble the new sleeve wear on the shaft. Clean the seal housing. Ensure the direction of shaft seal. The two lips should face the air end and the single lip for dust protection should face outwards. Fix the shaft seal on the seal housing using a press. Apply Loctite 574 on the seal housing. Use seal mandrel to avoid any damage to the seal lip while mounting seal housing on the air end. And Loctite 262 for the screws. Fix the seal housing and remove the mandrel. Check the blowdown time of the compressor. If the blowdown time duration is not correct, the blowdown time can be adjusted by loosening the nut and adjusting the screw in the intake valve. If the blowdown time is set lower than the recommended time, the internal pressure may not allow the unit to start.